Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm sorry for the quality of this video. I'm literally holding my iPhone and I'm in my bathroom because I'm right in front of my window. It has the best lighting at this time. I don't have a better setup for you. Sorry. I'm working on it. I'm also in the process of purchasing a new camera for you guys, so I'm excited about that. But for now, I wanted to really put out a video to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup, and this has been the look that I've been doing for the past, I don't know, year or so. It hasn't really changed a lot. I have changed a couple of the products that I've used. I wanted something that was a lot more efficient and just better quality, so those are the products I'm going to be featuring in this video. I will list them in the description box, and if I can find links to where you can get them, I'll list them there also. And if you have questions about like the steps that I did or like the products or things like that, please comment them below and I'll try and answer them for you. And once again, wow, my right arm is so tired. Once again, I'm sorry for the quality of this video. I don't know, and I'm using like the front camera too because there's no way I can film without being able to see myself, you know? So anyways, but yeah, this is the look, and if you're interested to see how I do my face, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So I usually start with priming my face. This is from the Abnormal Beauty company. I will list all the products in the description box below. This is a product I've been trying out. I do like it. It's affordable. It's actually a really good primer, but it's not the most convenient product to get a hold of. I have to order it through their website, and it's almost always like backlogged because they're so busy. A lot of people buy from them. Now I'm just brushing out my lash extensions, and my overall look is super easy because I have lash extensions and microbladed brows, so it cuts my getting ready time literally into half. However, I do brush my lashes to give them the shape that I want them to have, and I have volume lash extensions, and we'll talk about that when I put out my lash extension video. And I'm also brushing out the hair on my brows because I do have microbladed brows. Now this product I got from Japan. It's just a line filler, and you know, as you age you start noticing lines on your face, and for me it's definitely my smile lines and my forehead lines. I don't know if you guys have those lines on your forehead, like 3 different ones, or sometimes people have like varying numbers, but it's just those 3 annoying fine lines on your forehead. But this seems to be filling it out okay. I'm not sure if it's actually working, but it's Japanese, so you never know. And then I'm just putting this eye cream from Benefit. I don't really see any like crazy benefits from it. Like, well, you know, I can't really say. I haven't been very observant about it, but I don't notice my dark circles to be that prominent, so maybe it is doing something. So now I'm just kind of rubbing off the dead skin cells on my lips because I get really chapped and it's gross. And my OG NYX concealer. I have tried other concealers before, and I always just end up coming back to this concealer. It just gives me the most beautiful finish, and it's very high coverage, and it just sets on my face and never leaves. So I don't really use any foundation or even a CC cream at this time, just because they discontinued, like the Kate Somerville CC cream that I absolutely love was discontinued, and I just haven't found a really good substitute for it. The close one would probably be the It Cosmetics one, but still I'm not entirely in love with it. So I've just been using concealer, and I just pat that all over my face with my beauty blender, and that's pretty much it for my base. Like, I literally just use concealer because the hyperpigmentation on my face has improved a lot, so I can't get away with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and once again, my OG Wunderbrow product. I still fill in my brows because even though I had them microbladed, I want them defined, and they still have some little unevenness to them, so I fill that out and shape my brows. This product is the best product in the entire world. I really highly recommend this for all of my ladies out there that want to do their brows and like not have to think about them for like a week or so. Like, this product is your best friend. I can literally sleep and wake up and it's still there, and it doesn't smudge, it doesn't transfer on your pillowcase or things like that. This product is amazing. One thing I can say about this product is that it requires some practice. If you're not too sure about using the brush that comes with it, you can use an angled liner brush, and that helps give you more control over the product. I find that it's a lot better when it's more dry, and it does get drier at the end of the usage. When you first get it, it's a little bit more wet. And I just clean up my mess with like a concealer brush without any product on it. Now I'm gonna set my brows with my NYX eyebrow tint, I guess. And this one is super inexpensive. Nothing special about this product really. I just like the shade, and it's inexpensive, so that's why I use it. Now that the brows are done, I'm going to kind of bake. So this is like the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I initially bought this for my entire face, and it's in the color translucent, but I find that I don't like the finish quite as much as I thought I would. Yes, it really blurs out your pores and lines, but it also has a really matte finish to it, and that's not the kind of look I'm into these days. I really prefer the more dewy natural look, so I just use it to set my lines on the side of my nose, my smile lines, and my under eyes. So now I'm using the Bare Minerals concealer as a cream contour. This stuff is amazing. It is a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it because it's so creamy. The shade that I'm using is, I don't even remember, I'll write it in the description box, but it's perfect for my undertones and my skin, and it just gives me the most subtle definition. And I like using this underneath powder, so I kind of just contour my face really very lightly, and then I spread it all around, blend it all over, and it gives me a beautiful kind of natural finish, and it doesn't look like I even contoured my face. So I really like this product. I don't know if you can see, but it has that really nice shade to it, and the definition it gives my face is really pretty, and I like it a lot. So you might want to check this product out. So to get a more longer lasting look and more natural vibe, I usually do cream and then powder on top. I'm just kind of like dusting off the excess of that baking powder, and then you'll see that I'll be using a cream blush in a little bit. So this cream blush is from Stila, and I believe it's called Peaches. No, not Peaches. I don't even remember. Gosh, I'll just write it down in the description box. But I just use my fingers and tap this on my cheeks. If you look at how much it costs at Sephora, it's pretty ridiculous, but it's well worth your money. So I'm just kind of blending this out, and I've been really into like that sun-kissed look, very natural. It's kind of like a mix of like Western and kind of Korean look. So I've been doing a lot of tints and cream stuff on my face. So now you kind of see a little hint of something on my cheeks, and then we are going to finally set all the cream stuff with this IT Cosmetics powder. It's a powder foundation, but it has like an illuminated finish to it. So when I saw that, I was like, this is what I'm looking for. And it has a really beautiful, natural, dewy finish to it. So I am in love. It has this really nice reflective particle within the foundation itself. So it gives me that natural finish, and I love it. So now that I have put on that powder base over the cream stuff, I can then go over that with my powder contour and blush. So this just gives me a very natural kind of glow from within, and it lasts a really long time, and it's a very natural look, which I've been doing a lot lately. Like, I don't have to think so much about it. I can either go out with this look or just do casual things like grocery shopping or like a hiking activity or something, like, and still it wouldn't be too much or not enough, you know? So now that I have spread around my contour all over my face, you can see that my face is getting a little something, like some color in there. And I'm going to use my NARS blush in Gina, which I've had for forever, and I love this stuff. It's in this matte peach color, which is just perfect. And I put that all over my cheeks, and I'm really into like the sun-kissed look, so I run that blush over my nose as well. And I don't know if you've heard of this like drunk blush look, so that's kind of like what the internet is calling it these days. But yeah, I've been feeling it, and I've been doing that lately. Now on to my favorite part, highlighting. I'm using the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Opal in the travel size. I highly recommend you guys getting the like travel duo, which comes with a cream and the powder. It's like less than 25 bucks, and it lasts forever. It's amazing. I love it. Highly recommend it. It has a really subtle glow to it, and that's the kind of highlight I like. I want it to be subtle, like natural, glowing from within, nothing too obnoxious. And now on to my lips. I use like 3 different products. I first use a lip tint, or I use a lip liner, and here I'm using the e.l.f. in Nude, and I just use that as kind of like a lip liner and a base for my lips to give it some shape. And then I'm going to use like a different shade of lip tint and use that in my inner lip, and that's where I was talking about like the Korean influence. Like, I've been doing that because it just gives me like a, oh, I just sucked on a lollipop, I'm so cute look. It's just very vibrant. And then I'm going over it with my favorite Gerard Cosmetics 1995 lipstick, just to give it some like, I don't know, something. And then I finish everything with this NYX Dewy Finish Spray, which I'm actually gonna change. Like, I'm gonna try that Cover FX illuminated spray or something, but watch out for that. This is the look, guys, and I'm gonna show some pictures so you can see how it looks. What I love about this look is whatever filter you use on Instagram or whatever editing or lighting that you do, it looks poppin'. So it's very flexible, and that's what I love. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!